next presentation, we have Mr. Sunil Kumar Sauki. Background about Mr. Sauki: he has a degree in chemical engineering from National Institute of Technology, Raipur. He works with SABIC. He has more than 20 years of experience in field of process engineering, plant operation, training and development, and commissioning of petrochemical plants. He has paper related to development of soft sensors, process simulation, and new training strategies, as well as leading numerous successful implementation in this area. So you can proceed, please.
Before I start my presentation, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to STM committee for providing this wonderful platform to me to put forward my point of view. Thank you very much to all of you for being here, taking out your precious time to attend this presentation. As the title of my presentation suggests, this is a presentation about uses and application of multimedia in the field of training and development to make it more effective and more lively. Whole of the human history begins almost 3 million years before, when mankind was doing only two activities: hunting and collecting food stuff for his livelihood. With time, they felt the need of another alternate source of food for their survival. So they started farming. That was the first change which took place, and it led the world through Green Revolution. Then came the era of Industrial Revolution, where industries has cropped up and drove the world has witnessed the Industrial Revolution. Somewhere near 1980s, the era of computer has begun, when IT, information technology and computers came to center stage and drove the business. It has lasted till 2000, 2001. Since then, now the focus has been shifted to somewhere else. Since then, now it is knowledge industries who are at the center stage and driving the business. When I say knowledge industry, means industries having bigger pool of knowledgeable people, they are driving the business. We are already in 2010. 8 to 10 years, already we are in the era of knowledge industries. This is the time where we should really seriously work on a system where we can create a culture, where we can harness the knowledge and cultivate the knowledge in our organization, so as the bigger pool of knowledgeable people can be created. In last decade or so, a surge has been observed in industrial development, new projects in the field of petrochemicals and chemical industries. It has boosted the world economy, but at the same time, it has posed some serious challenges to the industries. Human resources scarcity is one of the big challenges industries are facing nowadays. Because of the massive movement of skilled people from one place to another place, industries are in phase to create a training system which can provide the quick training solution for the new incoming skilled people. Technological advancement has made the plants so smooth and so automatic that operators are losing the opportunity to interact with the real process. In fact, it is becoming difficult for them to learn the fundamental process concepts and emergency situation. So training has become more challenging in these circumstances. Being at the center stage, attracting huge funds, but in this competitive era, cost effectiveness of a training system has posed a real challenge to the industries. Therefore, a more interactive and customized training system who can meet these challenges, who can create the bigger pool of knowledgeable people, is need of the hour. In ethylene glycol plant in United, we had developed a 6-segment multimedia-based training module to address these challenges. The 6 segments of this multimedia training module are process knowledge, movie-based SOP, video interview library, animated case studies, e-manual, and and training data bank. They all integrated and a training system has been developed. We will look into all the 6 segments one by one in our presentation. Let us start with process knowledge.
As glycol split at the reactor outlet is function of hydrolysis ratio,
The movie clipping
the
is
design
being
of
played
the
on your
PO
screen.
ratio is in the glycol reactor feed has been set to meet the design requirements for the MEG and the heavy glycol production.
It is scientifically proved that our mind is more responsive, more receptive, and absorbs the information much quicker and easily in the visual interactive environment, rather than simply reading a text or rather than just listening to something. This segment has been developed to provide the process concepts and process information of ethylene glycol process in animated movie format. It is aimed to eliminate the cumbersome reading requirements of trainees to understand the process concepts and make his learning and training easier and faster. Entire EG process has been captured in 4 different videos in this segment, and each of this CD has been provided with the animated process flow diagram and process description and function of each and every equipment which is there in that area, safety devices and interlocks which has been provided to safeguard each and every equipment and the process, key performance parameters which are associated with that process, process hazards which are associated with that process, and a crisp and short material safety data sheet of each chemical, major chemicals which are used in that process area has been put for there. To conclude, all these 4 CDs had been put with a short test to judge the understanding of trainee about the subject. The second segment of our training module is movie-based SOP. There are 2 different movie clippings being played over there on your screen. They are demonstrating 2 different way of learning the skill. One is by reading conventional SOP, and another one is by looking into a movie clipping. If I will ask which one is the easier way to learn, the obvious answer will be the movie clipping. This segment provides an opportunity to an operator to learn the skills in visual and interactive and gaming environment. It provides an opportunity to develop the procedures right at the workplace. And the most attractive feature of this segment is its ability to demonstrate the best work practices right at the workplace, as we can see in the movie. The objective of this segment is to reduce the dependency of a trainee to read the lengthy standard operating procedure. The third